Are you looking to start your own podcast and you don't have enough budget? Guys, check out Anchor.com. Anchor is used for recording, hosting, and distributing your own podcast. First of all, it's 100% free and it is very easy to use. All you need is to visit Google Play and download Anchor app, and you can start your own podcast. You can do this by the comfort of your home. All you need is a good content for your listeners, and you can record it easily to your mobile or PC. Guys, get started and have fun. Your story deserves a best platform, and Anchor is the best platform for it. Have a great day. Hi guys, this is Sadid. Welcome to my podcast. After a short break, I am doing my podcast. So welcome to all of the listeners. So normally in our life, you learn more from failures than from success. Like when you get failed in your life, you think of why did I get failed in my life? And you will be searching for the better solution. In life, if you are working on something that you really care about, you don't have to be pushed. Failures will never overtake you if your determination to succeed is strong enough. We may even count on many defeats, but we must not be defeated. Many times we make decisions that don't seem to be a big deal, but what we often fail to realize is that where you are today is the result of all of the decisions, big and small, that you made up until this point. The good news is, even if you are not where you want to be right now, you still have a chance to rewrite your spirit. Yes, it's frustrating when you do not accomplish what you expect to accomplish within the time frame that you set. Yes, all of us want our journey to be a straight path, but in actuality, your journey will have unexpected stops. It will have curves, it will have hills, it will have valleys. You will have sunny days, you will have rainy days, but you have to decide. If I encounter rejection, if I encounter frustration, if I am disappointed, I will not give up. The key is to learn how to separate your feelings from your performance. Yeah, some days I don't feel like working. Some days I have to battle with unfair situations. But at the end of the day, I have a decision to make. Either I am going to have a pity party, or I am going to figure out how to pull myself up. So I say to you today, pull yourself up. There will be always something that you can complain about. There will be always something that you could be worried about. But what I am challenging you to do is to pursue your goals in spite of what's going on around you. Take a close look at your life, your health, your relationship, your business, your career, and ask yourself a simple question. Have I given my all? If you are not careful, fear, doubt, and worry will keep you stuck wishing your circumstances were better, but never doing what it takes to improve them. It's time for you to pursue what you really want, not what others want from you, not what others expect from you, but you got to pursue what you really want with everything you got. Give your all. It's time to pull yourself up. Lift up your head. Stand up and pursue your goals today, despite what is going on around you. Thank you, and stay tuned for further more podcasts from Madit.